I made it to my wagon. And guys, I am alone today. There is no one. I am the only one riding the iron ore train today. What? Wow, that will be intense, guys. So from here all the way to Nouadhibou, I got approximately 12 hours. So this is where I am going to sleep tonight. And wow, guys, that's it. It is hot, but I can make it, definitely. Wow. I just met Ibrahim, such a nice man. He told me that if I want to go pee, I could get out of the train, but I won't do that for sure, you know, because the train can leave at any time. So I have to be prepared once again. Alright guys, I made it to my wagon. So this is iron ore coming from the mining industry of Zouerat. So this is where they extract the iron ore. Zouerat is well known for its mining industry. So today I am going to ride the train alone because there is no one. Ooh. 12 hours on this train. Let's do it. We are moving, guys. We are moving. Alright, guys, let's go. 12 hours on this train. Wait. Ibrahim is saying goodbye. Guys, I have to cover my face because like you can see it is a little bit windy and the iron ore is blowing on my face, so I have to cover myself in order to stay safe. Have you ever watched the movie Mad Max? This is it! This is it, guys! I have to make sure that I don't fall, you know? Wow. What a treat! For some reason, the train has stopped. We are right now in the middle of nowhere, and yeah, the train has stopped. Let me show you guys. There is a lot of slide. It's all good because I got myself some water, some fruits, and also some food, so I am prepared. Also, when we came from Nouadhibou to Zouerat, we stopped about 3 to 4 times, so it's all fine. Guys, this is where I am going to sleep tonight. I got my sleeping bag, so I think it won't be too cold. But what a journey, right? What a journey. I am loving the landscape. Oh, unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. What a beautiful trip. And I am looking forward as well to see the sun set in the middle of the desert. So for those who are wondering how can you get to this kind of experience, guys, you just have to come to Mauritania, and from Nouadhibou there is train leaving every single day from Nouadhibou to Zouerat, and it's free of charge, so you don't have to pay anything. So obviously there is two options. You can either jump on one of those wagons, I think there is about 200 wagons, or also you can buy a ticket and there is a passenger wagon which costs maybe less than $5 if I'm not wrong. But anyway, you know, for me, I love challenge, so I decided to come here. Alright guys. I think in about 1 hour the sun will go down. Wow, it is slowly getting cold as the sun is setting down, and yeah, you know, I am prepared. Look at my face, guys. Look at my dirty and ugly face. Guys, I got everything in my backpack, so yes, I am just enjoying the journey. Yes, guys, oh, what a journey, I am telling you. I definitely recommend it, you know, 100%. This is something to do once in your life, for sure. Riding in the middle of the Sahara desert. Wow! This is not a dream. This is a life I choose to live. Let's go! We only live once. Live your life to the fullest. Woo! I should prepare my bed. we made it to another small village on our way to Nouadhibou. So this is Choum. I am not sure how long the train is going to stop here, but you know, I don't want to take the risk to get out and then don't catch the train again. But guys, I wanna get some food, you know, some yummy food so bad. Oh my god. Welcome to Choum, guys. We are already leaving Choum, guys, you know. This is why I didn't want to get out, because you never know when the train will be leaving. Dis alors. Sans ou bien? Eh. Non, attends. Ouais, regardez. Ça fait choukan. I got myself a bread. Oh. This is our current situation on our way to Nouadhibou. It is now 11 p.m. and we stopped by once again. Guys, to be honest, it is a little bit tough, you know, because I cannot sleep so much and it is very hot. So yeah, I think you cannot see it, but I am using my sleeping bag. But I am so hot and all the dust. Oh gosh, it is very difficult, guys. So this train, like you can see, is going all the way to Zwarat, and this is an empty train. And I think, for me, to be honest, the empty train was like much more comfortable. Riding with the iron ore make it a little bit more difficult on my experience, but you know. Wow, guys, the moon is shining. Yeah, we are in the middle of the desert, and like you can see, there is also people riding on the other way. Now, guys, this is a tough journey. So this is a passenger train, you know. You pay 250 yuga, and this is a passenger train, much more comfortable. But if you want to have some adventure, you go in the wagon, like I did. Oh my god. I am very dirty and I found it a bit difficult to breathe. I have to be careful, you know, because I don't want to touch my eyes and everything, you know. It's fine. We still got maybe like 7 or 8 hours on our way to Malibu. Peace out. Guys, a very good morning. In about half an hour we are going to reach Malibu. And yes, we made it, guys. We made it. To be honest, it was a cold night. Look at my face. I am very, very dirty. But wow. What a journey, guys. What a journey. It is almost 8 in the morning and I think the sun as well is about to rise. I am not sure from where, but the sun, we are going to catch up the sunrise. Guys, no, look, oh my god. I have to wash my clothes and my face and everything. Look how dirty I am. And it's cold. It's cold, cold. Oh, yeah. Look at the moon and look at the sun. Oh yes. Guys, we made it to Malibu. Vous connaissez c'est où? Attends. Mais mon grand, là pas. Guys, those taxi drivers are very funny, you know? They just want to eat your money. Wow, look at my face. Look at my face, guys. Guys, the adventure continue. I couldn't arrange a price with a taxi driver and I felt that he was asking too much, so I decided to keep on going by foot. Ça c'est le port ici. Ça c'est quoi ici?
Oui, oui, oui. Attends, comment ça, c'est pas loin.
Mon ami, vous avez pris du temps, hein? Ah! Guys, those taxi driver. Alright, guys, I made it to my room. So this is where I am going to stay today. I am going to wash my clothes and wash myself. And tomorrow I will be on my way to Nouakchott, which is the capital of Mauritania.